Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're looking at division and we're looking at problem solving questions that may come up on your SAT Key Stage 2 test papers in May in your Year 6. So we're going to look at a few questions together and work through them. So I've got some example questions just to go through. So the first one is, a farmer is packing eggs. You're told each box holds 6 eggs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the farmer has 980 eggs to pack. So how many boxes can the farmer fill using 980 eggs? So the first thing you need to do is work out which operation you will use. And in this case, we need to use division. So we need to look at 980 is the eggs, the total number of eggs we need to pack, and he's going to pack them in boxes of 6. So we're going to work that out as a short division. So 6 into 9 goes once with 3 left over. 6 into 38 goes 6 with 2 left over. 6 into 20 goes 3, and we have a remainder of 2. So this is a question that kind of tricks some children because you need to work out how many full boxes we can make. So we can make 163 boxes, but we can't make 164 because we haven't quite got enough. So the answer would be 163 because they're looking for full boxes. They're not asking for part boxes. So at this stage, they don't need to know about the remainder. So it's the 163 because they're wanting full boxes. Okay. The next part of the question is, how many eggs will be left over? So this is where you've got your remainder number here. So we've got a remainder 2. So there will be 2 left over. I've added another question just to help your understanding. So how many eggs will be needed to fill another box? So if we're looking at 6, we know we've got 2. So we need to fill that with 6 eggs. So we know we're looking for 4 more. So we're looking for 4 more eggs to fill that box. Okay. So the next question would be, a manager of a flower shop orders 4 boxes of red roses. So you're told there is 50 roses in each box, and the manager makes bunches with 6 roses in each bunch. Now this is asking you which is the greatest number of bunches that can be made. So we need to decide what operation we're going to use, and again we're going to use division for this question. So first we work out what's the total number of red roses. So we're going to do 4 times 50, and you could probably do that in your head. If not, you need to work it out on your paper. 4 times 50 is 200 roses. So we have 200 roses in total, and we're going to make them into bunches of 6. So we're going to do 6 into 200. 6 into 20 goes 3 with 2 left over. 6 into 20 goes 3 with 2 left over, so remainder 2. So it's saying what is the greatest number of bunches that can be made. So we can only make 33 because that's the whole number. And this is the tricky part. We can't make 34 because we don't quite have enough. So the greatest number of bunches that we can make is 33. All right, final question that I'm going to go through for today with you. So the last question is, Mrs. Mills has 940 seeds to plant into trays. That's the total amount of seeds that she has. She plants 12 seeds in each tray. So you've got a visual here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can always do it in timetable. 4, 8, 12, or 3, 6, 9, 12. So it's already indicating that the last tray is not full. before we can answer the question, we need to decide what operation we're going to do. So we're going to do a division here. The easiest way for this division is probably to do a long division. So we know it's 914 total, and we're going to do 12 into that. You can do it as a short division as well. So 12 into 94. So based on your timetables, you would already know 7 times 12 is 84, and you have 10 left over. We're going to bring the 0 down. So we're going to do 12 into 100. And if you know your timetables, we know that is 8, which means that you've got a remainder of 4. So what it wants to know is what fraction of the last tray is filled. So we know we have 4 in that tray and we have 12 seeds. So basically, if we look at, we have 4 in the tray, if we look at it as a tray. So all this row, we would have seeds in the last tray. So that shows us visually it is 1/3, because it's 1 part and there's 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it'd be 1/3. Another way would be obviously to work it out in terms of actually working out 4 over 12 in terms of the fraction, and then you could simplify it until you get to the simplest form. So you could write 4 over 12, half it, 2 over 6, half it again would be 1 over 3, and that gives you the answer. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.